Hi everyone. For this lesson, we are going to look at different resources that you have available to you. This assignment is part of your Success Lab course. It's going to be worth 10 points for this week. Altogether, that Success Lab course is worth half a credit, and that's an elective credit for each quarter. So this assignment is due Friday by noon. So we're going to look at what resources do you have that you can use and access when needed. So the first one we want you guys to think about is who is the first person you would contact if you had any questions or issues about academics or need additional help. And we want you to write down their name and either their contact number or their email. So let's say your person is Mr. Town. You would go to him if you had questions. So I would just put his name in there and then his email. So this is the form that you guys have to go along with this assignment, and I would just put his information in there. So the next one is who is the first person you would contact if you needed emotional support during the school year. So we're not saying that all these people have to be at school. Some of them may be at school. Some of them may be somebody you know at home. And then you put the name of that person and their phone number or email there. We just want you guys to have a list of people that you know you can contact, that you can rely upon for these different issues. So then there's a person you would need to contact if you needed therapeutic support, the person that you need to talk to or positive person in your life that picks you up when you need it, and then the person you would contact if you needed tangible resources like food or school supplies or anything that you can hold. So think about those people, write down their either phone number or email in that support document you guys have, and then submit it to Schoology. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks.